Govinda Bhasya, Baladeva Vibhushan's commentary on Vedanta Sutra, like Srimad Bhagavatam was natural commentary. So Baladeva Vibhushan, on the inspiration or prerana of Govindaji in Jaipur, he one night or a few nights he wrote this in Galta, in a place called Galta outside of Jaipur. He wrote this commentary on Vedanta Sutra called Govinda Bhashya. That means the words of Govinda. Bhashya means words, language, Bhashya, Brajbhash. So it's not mine, it's not my tika, it's his. So he just moved the pen. So in there he's describing about, he's commenting on Vedanta Sutra, because in one Vedanta Sutra it says that dreams are real. Well, because Prabhupada used to say the same thing. He said this, we dream at night, it lasts for 6 hours, and we think it's very real. That's our night dream, our dream, sleeping. But when we wake up for 18 hours, I'm so-and-so, there's that. That's also a dream. It's also a dream, daydream. Prabhupada said like that. So in the sutra it says, dreams are real. Then it describes, it says, there's some discussion in Vedanta Sutra. Baladeva Vibhushan's commenting on that. In dreams, sometimes future events are revealed. In dreams, sometimes, in dreams, future events are sometimes revealed, like omen or whatever. In dreams, sometimes some medicine or cure is given in a dream. In dreams, sometimes one sees the fulfillment. In a dream, one sees the fulfillment of their kamya yagya, something like that, kamya yagya. Apparently there's some type of homa, swaha, yagya you can do, or maybe many yagyas you do, to get the woman of your dreams. It's too bad nobody knows how to do that anymore, because people get married and it doesn't turn out to be the one I was dreaming about. She was my dream, she becomes a nightmare, or vice versa, he becomes a nightmare. That my dream boat becomes a nightmare boat. So it says that, so he says that kamya yagya, because kamya yagya, you do some yagya, some pujas with some, it's in Shastra, and then your sankalpa is, I'm doing these yagyas because I want to get this beautiful girl. She has to look like this. She has to be like this tall and this and that, and blue eyes and whatever, brown hair, or black hair and blue eyes, like Radharani, and golden skin and a beautiful veiny and beautiful sweet white pearly teeth, and so talented and expert speaker and beautiful dancer and so tender and loving. In other words, I want a girl like Radharani. So you can do yagyas. So then in a dream, that's why it says in the Vedanta Sutra and Baladeva Vibhushan's commentary, sometimes in a dream one will see the fulfillment of his kamya, I think it's called kamya, kam means lust, kamya yagya. So there in a dream, he dreams and he says, that's it, that's her. That's the one. That's my dream boat. That's the one I'm doing this yagya, because he's just doing the yagya with the sankalpa. I want this beautiful girl like this, but he's not seeing. Then he may get a premonition in a dream. He's doing a yagya for 1,000 yagyas or whatever the prescribed rituals are in the Shastra for this type of mundane art. It's called art. Dharma, art, kam, moksha. So he's doing dharma, some Vedic dharma, some lokic dharma, to get this fall, this result. So then he's in a dream, he says, oh, yeah, that's the one. Yes, I want that one. So then later, that girl knocks on the door 3 days later and says, excuse me, I lost my way, I'm from another country, and I just been I'm traveling here on a yatra, and it's late at night. Can I stay here at your house? Oh, I live by myself, and you're a lady. This that. No, I have nowhere. Okay, well, you stay here. And then you talk, and you say, actually, I have a dream about you. I dreamed about you a week ago. And the lady says, come on, I've heard this before, I've heard a lot of stories, but this was too much. So now Baladev says, sometimes you can get a mantra in a dream, and then he gives an example. You receive a Ram mantra in a dream, and he gives some example from Puranas how someone received a mantra in a dream. I forget. It's in maybe in Ramayana or something. He cites it there. Vedanta Sutra. It's in English. You can read. Govinda Bhasyam. My Gurudev once said, he said, because I asked him about dreams, I said, sometimes, if we have a dream of Guru, if we dream of Guru or dream of Krishna, are dreams real or are they? He said, and Gurudev said, dreams are real. And I said, okay. And right there, 98 years old, he said, dreams are real, and the Vedanta Sutra says so. So I didn't know, he didn't say what verse. So then I asked my Shiksha Guru, I said, this verse is there in Vedanta Sutra about the dreams and whatnot. And then he told me exactly the number. And then when I looked it up, this number, I learned all these details, which I told you. So there, I'm telling you, in a dream, one can receive a mantra, a premonition of an event or event about to happen, or a person you might meet, or a remedy for a disease or a medicine. What is next? And then you go one step further, Siddha Pranali. So I'm wanting, and I'm doing my yagi every day, like this man is doing this kamya yagi, or a woman for that matter. I want this woman. There's some kind of Vedic yagya to fulfill your lusty desire or whatever. Kam means desire ultimately, but in a broader sense, but also specifically means lust. So now we're doing a yagya to fulfill our desire. It's not called kamya yagya, it's called nam yagya. Kalir doshana de raja nasiyeka mahaganan. No, yagya sankirtana priyar yajanti saminisha. This is a yagya, nam yagya. So every day we're doing nam yagya, 16 rounds or 1 lakh or whatever. Oh Krishna, please be merciful to me, O Radharani, O Krishna. Please reveal my Siddhadeha. Then one night you sleep and you see your Siddhadeha. So according to Vedanta Sutra, this is bona fide. According to Baladev Vidyabhushan, this is bona fide. According to my Guru Varg and my teachers, my gurus, this is another bona fide way to realize one's Siddhadeha. So I've given you 4 ways.